This is a 1-4 socket set made of heat-treated CRV steel with a black phosphate anti-corrosion coating for durability. The electrophoretic finish on the socket set provides additional protection against oxidation. Each wrench is equipped with a reinforced rubidium magnet inside the interface, which provides stronger magnetism to more effectively attract nuts and other fasteners. With an extended 6-inch length, the wrench is ideal for accessing tight or hard-to-reach places. Precision laser marking on the magnetic nut wrench set and socket set are designed for high visibility even in low light. LLNEDL products exceed ANSI and DIN standards, ensuring years of reliable use.